Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I have this Mustang component that's super greasy. We're gonna throw it into the Hydroblast 1000. We're gonna blast it at around 1400 PSI with aqueous-based detergent and see how well it can clean this up. So we actually used the Hydroblast 3500 for this one. And as you can see, it did a really great job blasting off all of this caked up gunk and oil. And now this part is ready to be finished in a vapor hone machine. For more information, feel free to visit our website or give us a call at 828-202-5563.